2003 Gen 1 Tuono track bike. She was a stat write-off, but it's got lots of goodies on it. We'll go over it and have a quick look. Got a maddest racing pipe, which sounds pretty wicked. We'll give it a blurt in a bit. Obviously adjustable levers. Also got a shifted gear indicator. So I've done a track day on this. It's been heaps of fun, but I got myself a V4 track bike, so this one might have to be offered for sale soon. Who knows? Give it a little squirt. Sounded pretty good. Knobs on it. We've given it a full service, got new plugs. Can have a variety of tyres on it, wet, slicks or road tyres.